You're back. Welcome back. I never left, okay? Never left. I just changed my phone. So I just transferred you guys on this phone. But I don't know where I am now. So like the phone that holds the internet is now at 5. No, no. We're not restarting it to ano. No, we're just counting the hours, okay? We're just gonna add the hours, okay? That's the only grace I can give you. So, where am I? I'm confused. We gotta run to Starbucks. Just Starbucks is like going straight, boo. I just went straight. Straight. This is a tricky question. Wait for me. I will put it in the bag. These are dead. I need a new power bank. I was not able to charge it, really. Why did I go and sleep and not charge the fuck? Oh, because I charged this phone. I'm so stupid though. Too much shit to charge, yeah, and I only have 2 chargers, yeah. Because I didn't charge last night. Because I was... The fuck? So where do I go, chat, before the phone dead? If this phone died, oh my god, it will be like an extension over extension over extension. You have to follow the mode, kind of. Okay, it's on that other side because I just went straight. Now I ended up here. That's easy, I can go back. Then you turn right, follow the sakura tree. How does a sakura tree looks? I'm serious. I don't know what that tree looks like. It's okay, I will know. Eventually, yeah. I'd be like, oh, this is the sakura tree. Pink. Well, like, there no... Might be out of... Yeah, that's what I think. I know sakura is pink. But if it's out of season, does it look like green or is it like a raw tree? Like, there's tree but there was no leaf. I did pass Hoshoku Shrine, Z. You remember when you asked, like, can you enter, like, one of these place, that was the Hoshoko Shrine. And then the Plum Grove. Chat, I could be like very chata. I don't know. I don't know what's a Plum Grove. Yeah. I can be very clueless, chat. I really need to learn this thing. Once you get into an autumn garden, and then there's autumn. There is sakura, there is plum, and now there's autumn. Wow. Just wow. I will just follow the mountain. That's the easiest. That's the easiest I could understand. Micah, once you see a lonely monk in the middle of the road, just turn on his hip. Turn around, it's a warrior. Is that supposed to be a joke? Like. What the? It's legit. Don't fool me, ba? Can you show us where you're going? See, okay, see. the towel, the castle is there, and I am here. Legit, bo. There's a monk, like a monk, really. Why? Why should I turn around? You said follow the mode. You went too far. Okay, I went too far. You passed it. This is a Plum Grove area. Ah. Okay. Which one is the plum? Yawa. I'm laughing at my own suffering. So I was right. I was there. Left? Where? Oh, here. I was here. You just made me go back. Yeah, it's this is what I follow. So just go. No? Don't make me more confused.